everyone, welcome back to Diabtran. If you're like most people, you probably start your day with a meal or a snack. But did you know that eating certain foods on an empty stomach can actually do more harm than good? That's right. Today, we're diving into the top 9 foods you should never eat on an empty stomach. Stick around because you might be surprised, but what will you find out? Before we jump into the specific foods, let's talk about why it's so important to choose the right foods for breakfast or for your first meal of the day. When you wake up, your stomach is essentially empty, and the way you fuel it can set the tone for your entire day. Eating the wrong foods on an empty stomach can lead to digestive issues, energy crashes, and even mood swings. You want to start your day with foods that are gentle on your digestive system, provide lasting energy, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Let's get started. Top 1. Citrus fruits. First on the list are citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. While these fruits are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they are also very acidic. Eating them on an empty stomach can increase the acidity in your stomach, leading to digestive discomfort and even acid reflux. Instead, try pairing citrus fruits with a more substantial meal like a smoothie with some protein and fiber. This will help balance the acidity and keep your stomach comfortable. Top 2. Sugary foods. Donuts, pastries, and sugar cereals may seem like a quick and tasty option, but eating this on an empty stomach can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to an energy crash later in the day and can even trigger cravings for more sugary snacks. Instead, opt for foods with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, like oatmeal with nuts and berries, to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Top 3. Fried foods. Fried chicken, french fries, and other crispy snacks can be hard on your digestive system, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. They are high in unhealthy fats and can cause bloating and discomfort. Instead, choose lighter options like steamed vegetables or a whole grain toast with avocado. This will be easier on your stomach and provide essential nutrients. Top 4. Raw vegetables. Raw vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers are incredibly healthy, but eating them on an empty stomach can be tough on your digestive system. The high fiber content can be irritating and might lead to bloating or gas. To make them easier to digest, try steaming the vegetables or combining them with a protein source like hummus. This will make them gentler on your stomach and more satisfying. Top 5. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages like sodas and sparkling waters can cause bloating and discomfort, especially on an empty stomach. The bubbles in these drinks can lead to gas buildup and increase stomach acid. Opt for still water or herbal teas instead. These are gentler on your digestive system and will help you keep you hydrated without the added gas. Top 6. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in fats and preservatives, which can be hard to digest on an empty stomach. They can also increase stomach acid and lead to discomfort. If you're craving protein, choose options like eggs or Greek yogurt, which are easier on your stomach and provide a good balance of nutrients. Top 7. White bread. White bread and other refined carbs can cause spike in blood sugar levels and leave you feeling hungry soon after. They lack the fiber and nutrients found in whole grains, which can make them less satisfying and potentially lead to digestive issues. Instead, go for whole grains options. Whole grain breads or cereals are higher in fiber and will keep you feeling full longer. Top 8. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt can be problematic for some people, especially on an empty stomach. They can cause bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort for those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive. If you like dairy, consider having it with other foods or opting for lactose-free alternatives. Plant-based milks like almond or oat milk can also be easier on the stomach. Top 9 highly spiced foods. Foods that are loaded with chili peppers, hot sauces, and other spices can irritate your stomach lining when eaten on an empty stomach. This can lead to heartburn and digestive issues. If you're a fan of spicy food, try having it with a meal instead of an empty stomach. This will help mitigate its impact on your digestive system. So there you have it, 9 foods you should definitely avoid eating on an empty stomach. Remember, starting your day with the right foods can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. Aim for a balanced breakfast that includes a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to keep your energy level steady and your digestive system happy. Thanks for watching! If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you had any surprising experiences with these foods. Stay healthy and keep thriving.